Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, how can I prevent lawn fungus? Lawn disease is more common than you may think because of conditions like excessive moisture, compacted soil, or too little or too much fertilizer can cause lawn diseases quickly. Lawn fungus and lawn disease can cause many forms of damage, from fungal growth to rotting roots and stems. These diseases can hurt your lawn at best and kill your lawn at worst. Luckily, there are some simple things you can do to prevent lawn fungus. Water your lawn properly early in the morning. Remember that your lawn needs about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of water per week. Trim trees to remove excessive shade and rake or dethatch your lawn to remove compacted grass. Make sure that you're mowing to the proper height. You want your grass blades to be about 3 inches tall. Apply high-quality systemic fungicides like Patch Pro. This will treat your turf and ornamentals of many lawn diseases and has a 30-day residual. These tips will help you keep your lawn fungus and disease-free because despite what your uncle says, the fungi is not a fun guy. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. And despite what your uncle says, the fun guy is not a fun guy. It's just so, it's like walking in a room going, that's a square over there. You know what I mean? Like, it's like that funny, man.